you want to enable airplane mode with the help of action button on the iPhone 16, then open settings. Here find the action button section, and now we can see many features which this action button can enable or disable. But we are interested in the airplane mode, so for that we need to choose the controls first, and now from the other controls select the airplane mode. It is located right here in the connectivity section. Just tap it and here you'll see that it is added to the controls. And now we just need to save the changes using this arrow to go back. And now when we'll be pressing this action button, airplane mode will be enabled or disabled. Now it is off. Now let's press it again. And now it is enabled. You can see everything in the dynamic island as an animation for this mode enabling or disabling. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.